Google Maps just got a major AI glow-up, and now you can chat with it like ChatGPT. Want directions, restaurant recs, even rainy day plans? All via chat. Let's dive into what just dropped. Over the last few years, Maps has gotten AR arrows, immersive street views. We thought it couldn't get more intuitive, but with Gemini-powered AI, it's becoming your smart travel assistant. Number 1, conversational map chat. Ever thought, hey, where's the closest vegan cafe? And got a chat reply instead of a list? That's now a reality in Maps. With conversational map search, you type or speak anything like best lunch spot open now, and Maps responds in a human way, complete with links, directions, and photos. No more typing keywords, ask naturally. But you won't just be chatting, you can explore in 3D too. Number 2, immersive view. What if you could stroll through Times Square before leaving home? Maps now lets you preview destinations in 3D, fully immersively. Immersive View stitches billions of Street View plus aerial shots for a 3D walkthrough. Preview entire routes, driving, biking, or walking with realistic visuals, lane guidance, weather overlays, and more. Still curious? There's also AR overlays and proactive suggestions. Number 3, Live View and Multi-Search. Picture pointing your phone camera at the street and instantly seeing name, rating, hours, floating in AR. Yep, Maps does that now. Tap the lens search with Live View icon, that's AR overlay showing real-world labels. Multi-search lets you combine images plus text. For example, upload a cake photo and ask near me. But what about when plans change mid-trip? Number 4, AI-powered suggestions. Imagine it suddenly rains and Maps pops up suggesting indoor comedy clubs or movie theaters. AI assesses weather, time, location to suggest adaptable options like date night bars or dog-friendly cafes. Summaries are generated with ratings, crowd levels, parking intel, all context-aware. And here's the cherry on top. Number 5, voice and screenshot integration. Tired of switching apps? Maps AI knows your voice and reads screenshots. Voice chatting through Search Live lets you talk hands-free, great for driving or multitasking. Google can identify places directly from screenshots, loading them into Maps instantly. Why it matters. Altogether, conversational chat, AR, immersive previews, multi-search, proactive suggestions, voice, and screenshot support. Maps is shifting from a tool to a travel companion. So next time you're planning or exploring instead of typing, tap the chat and stick around because we're just scratching the surface of where AI is taking Maps. How would you utilize the new Google upgrade? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on alerts. We break down all the smartest AI tools out there, fast. Catch you next time.